Hi guys, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so then you'll know when I have new videos coming up. Tonight's video is how to build our immune system. We're all going through COVID, so we need to have a strong immune system. So I'm going to show you one thing that you have. It's probably in a tree. You've probably drove by it and seen it many times. This is it here. It hangs in a tree. This is called Usnea, old man's beard. Usnea has been around since ancient times. It's not new. It's not a fad. It's been used for so many years. The outer portion of the lichen, referred to as the cortex, it holds an antibiotic property. And the inner part, the thallus, contains a substance that stimulates the immune system. So what do we need right now? We need both of those things. So this is a natural antibiotic. This works just like an antibiotic. So how you'll know if you have the right Usnea, this has been dried out, so it's a little dry right now because I had it stored. But how you'll know when you have the right Usnea, you'll pull it. And when you pull it, it has like a green on the outside. When you pull it, it'll stretch. This is still actually even stretching. And on the inside you can see that there's like a white string. It's stringy. Then you know that you've got the right one. Now what this does, it does so many things like fever, inflammation, weight loss, yeast infections, HPV, MRSA, candida, urinary tract infections, respiratory, cellulitis, fights infections, and the list goes on, guys. This is an actual antibiotic. So go look in the trees, and usually when you find it in a tree, that means that the air is really nice there, and good air. So that's another way that you'll know it. It's usually in a clean area. It's in the woods. You'll find it everywhere now that you've seen it. So go get this. I make tinctures and I make teas. If you make the tincture, you can use that for so many things, and I'll put a list of what you can use it for. I won't take up your time. Just go get it, guys. Get the Usnea, the old man's beard. Let's build up our immune system. So follow me on YouTube, and I'm going to give you guys different ideas with my videos on how you can build your immune system. This is just one, okay, guys? So go get the Usnea and check out what I say in the bottom, and you'll see how great it is. I'll put some recipes in there. Basically, it's tinctures. That's what you want to make with this, guys.